I'm a community occupational therapist and my specialty is wheelchair and seating and housing modification. So I enable people to have wheelchairs when they are too sick to walk, and I modify their homes, so I put in ramps to enable them to leave the house, go to see their children play soccer. And the fact that I get to phone people and go, "So we've done your bathroom, how's it gone?" And I go, "Oh, Jordana, I just washed my hair. I just had a shower. I just got to leave the house and I got to go to the local marae." That was a big one for me. I always say that we're cradle to grave almost, the occupational therapy profession. And I will never forget going into a person's home in COVID lockdown. And we had a lady who was dying and she was being looked after by her nieces. And this story kind of resonates with me because I have two nieces and I think this is how I would like my life to end. And so we gave them a hospital bed to help care for her. We gave them education about rolling and being well looked after. And they set her up in the library. And her nieces were fussing around her and I popped out in full PPE gear, you know, mask and everything to check everything was going okay. And she was in her bed, asleep, and she was comfortable and her nieces were there. And I just remember she had a grey cat, because I have a cat and I'm a bit obsessed with him. And he was in the bed with her and they were just sleeping together. And I just think to enable people to look after their loved ones is huge.